Alright, here we go, two-wheel drive buggy. Oh, looks like Matt was out in front there getting stuck on the pipe. Got a couple turn marshals running to him. If there's any other turn marshals out there that aren't doing anything, please get out there. Like it might be a little slippery out there. It looks like Gonzo and Carl battling it out. You guys might have wanted to put some water down. Alright, so it looks like it's Carl, Josiah, Tyson, Derek, Matt, and Gonzo. We got 5 minutes remaining, drivers, 5 minutes. Keep your eyes open, turn marshals. Looks like that's Carl out in front there. Alright, looks like Carl's still out in the front. Looks like that's Josiah right there behind him, looking fast with that two-wheel drive buggy coming up and over the double. Oh, Josiah gets into him. Josiah takes over first here, working their way through the wagon wheel. Alright, so it looks like it's Josiah, Carl, Tyson, Matt, Gonzo, then Derek. With 3.5 minutes remaining, drivers, 3.5 minutes. Josiah and Carl battling it out here, up and over the double. Working their way through that wagon wheel. Josiah holds on to it. Oh, looks like Carl might be having some problems there. Alright, so it looks like Josiah, Carl, Tyson, Matt, Gonzo, and Derek. Josiah pretty far out in front here, working his way through the sand pit. Carl had some problems there, he dropped back. I believe Tyson is in third, working his way up to Carl for that second place spot. Oh, we got a couple drivers here stuck on the pipe here. Looks like Gonzo's gonna move up. Alright, so it looks like it's Josiah, Carl, Tyson, Gonzo, Matt, and it's Derek. Just over 2 minutes remaining, drivers. Just over 2 minutes in this two-wheel drive buggy. Josiah way out in front. Alright, looks like Tyson and Carl battling it out for second here. Gonzo working his way through the sand pit, trying to make his way up to everybody else, throwing it off the track there. Tyson is trying to find Carl. Josiah, nothing to worry about out in front here. Alright, Josiah way out in front, working his way through the wagon wheels. Carl holding on to second here, but Tyson puts some pressure on him, up and over the double. Tyson goes big, Carl goes little. Both working their way through the wagon wheel. Carl's still holding on to it down the front straight there. Tyson puts some pressure on. 1 minute, drivers, 1 minute remaining. Looks like Matt's putting pressure on Gonzo here, trying to get that fourth place spot. Oh, Gonzo off the pipe. Looks like Matt might get around him. Wow, Josiah way out in front here. Nothing to worry about. Oh, Carl gets sideways. Tyson gets around him, working their way up and over the double. Carl drops down to third. Alright, Josiah, Tyson, Carl, Matt, Gonzo, and Derek with 30 seconds, drivers, 30 seconds. Got 20 seconds, drivers. Oh, Matt getting stuck on the pipe there. Oh, right behind you, Luke. Josiah having some problems, but he's way out in front, nothing to worry about.
Finish your lap.
Alright, finish your lap, drivers, finish your lap. 4, you're finished. Carl, you're finished. Gonzo finished.
6 finished. 5 finished. 1 finished. 3 finished. Race over. Car 6 now has the fastest time of the day.